Hey, this is Pierre from NotionForms. In this video, I will show you how you can update a Notion record using NotionForms. The first thing I need is to have a Notion table ready to be used for that Notion forms. So here I'm going to use my contacts form where I'm going to enable users to update, for example, their name or their phone using their email. So now back to Notion Forms, where I'm just going to create a new form and select the contacts database. In here, I have a few fields that I don't need that are in my database. So the source for this one, I don't need. And then I need the three fields, name, email, and phone to be required. So now that I've done this, I can scroll down here on the left side in the left panel into the About Submission section, where here, as a database submission action, you have the Create New Record, which is the default action from Notion Forms, and you have the Update Record, if any. And so to enable Notion Forms to update a record, we need to check on a specific field on the form that matches the field into the Notion database. So here, to make it simple, I'm going to select the email field. So whenever a user is going to input his email in this form, it's going to check, okay, does this email exist in my Notion database? If it does, then we're going to update the name field and the phone field. So now that I've done this, I can just create my form and we're going to test the form. So I'm going to open the link. And here I'm going to go back to my Notion database and see. Let's try it with this user, my user in the contact database in Notion. And I'm going to go here and say, now my name is Pierre Tillemont, my full name. My phone, I'm going to say it's 0611111111, and I'm going to input my email address. So now if I click submit, I have the thank you message or confirmation message. And here, going back to my Notion database, I can see that now my name is Pierre Tillemont and my phone number has been updated.